the truth behind their survival is stranger than fiction. Nature hides incredible survival strategies in plain sight. Today, we explore two iconic butterflies. Monarchs and viceroys look remarkably similar, yet their protection stories differ fundamentally. One tastes terrible, warning predators away. The other cleverly exploits this warning system. Monarch butterflies, Danaus plexippus, are iconic migrants. Their vibrant orange wings signal danger to birds. Monarch larvae feed exclusively on milkweed plants. Milkweed contains toxic cardiac glycosides called cardinalides. These toxins accumulate within the monarch's body. Predators ingesting monarchs experience severe vomiting.
This creates a powerful, lasting negative association.
Birds quickly learn to avoid their distinct coloration. This defense is called aposematic coloration, a warning. It's an honest signal of their genuine toxicity. Now consider the viceroy butterfly, Limnitis archipus. At first glance, it appears almost identical. Note the distinct black line across its hindwings. This subtle difference helps experts distinguish them. Viceroy larvae feed on willow, poplar, and aspen leaves. These plants do not contain the same potent toxins. Historically, viceroys were considered palatable mimics. This is known as Batesian mimicry, a harmless copy. They gain protection by resembling the toxic monarch. Predators avoiding monarchs also avoided viceroys mistakenly. It was a brilliant, life-saving evolutionary deception. The viceroy rode on the monarch's toxic reputation. However, recent research revealed a new layer. Studies by Ritland and Brouwer in 1991 changed understanding. They found viceroys are actually somewhat unpalatable. Their larval host plants produce different defensive compounds, so viceroys also offer a mild, unpleasant experience. This means both species benefit from their shared warning. This phenomenon is called Mullerian mimicry. Here, two or more unpalatable species resemble each other. It reinforces the warning signal for all predators. Both the monarch and viceroy gain stronger protection. Our comparison reveals nature's complex survival strategies, from Batesian deception to Mullerian mutual benefit. Understanding mimicry deepens our appreciation for biodiversity. Their story highlights the intricate web of life. Understanding mimicry deepens our appreciation for biodiversity. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more deep dives.